Hi, my name is Sharon Palmer Dawkins, and I'm the Chief Pharmacist at the Drug Serv for Children.
I'm Donna Marie Thomas. My location is Kingston Public Hospital, Victoria Jubilee Hospital, where I operate as the Chief Pharmacist for both locations.
My name is Jenny Samuel Campbell. I'm the Chief Pharmacist at Falmouth Hospital Drug Serv, Rodney Street, Falmouth, Trelawney.
A pharmacist is a professional in their own right. It's a member, an integral member of the healthcare team. A pharmacist is a person who has the well-being of the patient at the forefront, and patient care is our mantra.
So a pharmacist must, and I must emphasize, must be a very good communicator. They are the bridge between the physician and the patient, so therefore communication is very important. Soft skills, empathy, listening skills, basically those are the qualities I think a pharmacist should possess.
Pharmacists must be concerned about others. So in the eye of a pharmacist, when you stand in whatever setting it is, clinical, an outpatient or an inpatient department, the whole aspect of care and concern must be paramount.
A pharmacist should have empathy as a quality, because it is important for us to understand what the patients are going through, to be able to walk in their shoe, to be able to understand what it is that they need. So not just medications from us, but just for us to understand what is happening with them at the time, the conditions that they have, and be able to offer that amount of care that is needed.
So I'm still serving as a pharmacist, definitely for the love of it. My passion for pharmacy has taken me several years into the practice, like 30 years or more going on into the practice. So it's definitely the love of it and for my passion.
I chose this field based on the fact that I didn't want to sit behind a desk, and the whole advent of service was very paramount in my mind.
Growing up, I always appreciated and admired the pharmacists the community pharmacists I would come in contact with. My grandmother has been using the hospital pharmacy and the community pharmacy for years, and I would always go with her. And I would see the pharmacists and just admire how they look in their white coats and how it is that they treated the patients.
It is important that I do my job well as a pharmacist. I lead by example, and therefore people are at the base and the forefront of my career. It is the lives that I touch, it is the lives that I try to save, it is the lives that I interact with, it's the changes that I bring about in terms of bringing about better patient care adherence and promoting health. So life is at the forefront of my profession.
I believe I remain trustworthy by being true to myself and my values. I believe it's important that we offer honesty and offer quality service to our patients. And by doing that, I believe that our patients know that they can confide in us and that they can trust us.
I remain trustworthy by being always accessible. Being accessible to the public, being accessible to everyone around me that I come in contact with, and to stay true to my word. So it's important to stick to your promises. There's many, based on my experience, many ways in which I've showed up for my patient. But I think one of the ways which I did, and I want to stand out, is by being there for this old lady she lived by herself. So I would go there every single day, sort through her medication, sit with her for a while and talk, and that created a big impact. In fact, we have been friends up to this day, lifelong friends.
Without the profession of pharmacy, the world would be at a loss, in particular the healthcare team. Pharmacy does not stand on its own, but it works integral in tandem with the other aspects of the healthcare team.
Without a pharmacist, the world would be missing a lot. There would be a missing link, the link between the physician and the patient. And that's a very important link, because when the patient goes to the doctor, the examination, and when they come to the pharmacist, they're the ones who explain to them the use of the medication, one, how to use it, and so basically they're the one who optimize the therapy to the patient. So they help to promote healing and to bring about the continuation of the medication distribution to the patient.
I admired NHF vision in terms of thinking out of the box and seeing a patient as an individual, a human being, a creation of God. And when it is perceived in this manner and in this way, then we will strive, always striving at the utmost to fulfill those responsibilities. Seeing the patient as an individual, a human being, and not just a statistic.
I admire the NHS management and vision because of the quality of service that is offered. I believe they go the extra mile to ensure that medications are available, even very expensive medications that sometimes the patients are not able to afford. And being able to offer that for the patients, I believe it sets us apart and it allows the patients to understand that we care for them and that we are here to serve them and provide an excellent customer service that we stand for.
NHF Drug Serv Pharmacists are here for you.
NHF Drug Serv Pharmacists are here for you.
NHF Drug Serv Pharmacists are here and will always be here for you.